In this episode, we'll show you the world's largest whale. You'll find out what kind of whale it is, how big it is, and most importantly, what this amazing giant can do. In addition, there are a couple of nice bonuses about other incredible whales in the video, so we recommend watching the episode till the end. It'll be interesting. But its subspecies, the Antarctic or southern blue whale. Once again, Antarctica surprises us with its giants. According to the World Wildlife Fund, an Antarctic blue whale is the largest animal in the world with an average length of 30 meters or 98 feet and a weight of over 180 tons. To give you an idea of how much that is, one Antarctic blue whale weighs as much as 30 savanna elephants, the largest land animal in the world. Of course, an Antarctic blue whale is not as huge and is shown in some pictures, but still it's very big. People who saw this giant in close proximity said it made